Welcome to MST School of Trading. So now I will tell you. So I was recording the video. Suddenly some people came. So I had to stop the video. So 1 second I will resume. So now I will show you from the scratch. I will show you from the scratch that you have subscribed to our indicator. Now you are going to use it. Now what is the procedure? What is the procedure? So now what you have to do? Go to any browser, select to Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Windows Edge or any other browser of your choice. If you are using mobile app, mobile or tab, go to the concern app store and download it, tradingview.com. Just if you enter TradingView, automatically app icon will come. This is the icon here in the left black color. Just download it and install it. After that, what you have to do? After that, go to the login page and enter your username and password. That's all. Now you select any script whichever you want to trade. So here what I can do, I can remove everything because this is a new account now. So by default they have enabled some forex based or abroad foreign based stocks. We don't want to trade in those trade. So now we are interested in what is Indian market. So Nifty is there. So I will start with the Nifty. Go to the chart. Click on super charts. And before I continue, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and watch our YouTube channel so that we both will be benefited. So now I am removing the indicator from the panel. Okay. Now once you open the new ID, it will be in the default time frame. It will be in the default time frame of 1 day. So it will be like that, and one volume would be added. So now we are going to use it for the intraday purpose. For an intraday purpose, don't keep D time frame. Keep up to 3 minutes time frame. Any 3 minutes time frame, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes and 10 minutes, whichever you want, that you can take. Up to 15 minutes time frame that you can keep. And secondly, what you have to do, after you have subscribed our indicator, go to the indicators icon. See here, it is clearly written over here, indicators. So now for demonstration purpose, I am using free account. That's why it is saying here upgrade now, 30-day free trial. I'm not going to upgrade. I don't want to go for upgradation also. I want to use only the free tradingview.com account. So in a free trading account, I can use up to 3 indicators. But I am going to use only one indicator. That is MST iCore 2.0 premium advanced tool based on the price action. Come here, go to the invite only option. See, it is clearly written with the lock symbol, invite only option. So now just click on to the indicator and it will be automatically added to the chart. Now you can ask, sir, I got the indicator, but you said something buy signal, sell signal, but where it is? In your system it is showing, in your screenshot it is showing, why it is not in our system? Don't worry, I am not using the different one what I have given to you. Whatever you are using, same thing I am using. Whatever I am using, same thing you are using. So it is just the difference of settings. So what you have to do, go to the right bottom here. Right bottom there is a engine button. Click on it. Then go to labels. See here, it is written here label. Then come search for the indicator. There are 2 labels for the indicators. One is indicators and financial names. See here, now it is the signal have come. Where is the buy, where is the sell, where is the entry, everything has come. And next one, values you want. So go here and select indicators and financial value level. That's all. And give save. Go here and save it. It is auto save. Automatically it will be saved. Over. The next one, we are trading in Nifty. So the movement will be very less when compared to the Bank Nifty. Also, if the price is above 10,000, you can keep it in very tiny SL. If it is below 10,000, you can keep it in tiny SL. And some script will be having high values like zinc, aluminium, lead and all will be having 5,000 rupees for 1 lot. So in such a cases, don't keep tiny SL. No, you will have to lose more amount if the SL hit. So the market also will not have such movement. So in that case, keep it in very tiny SL. And some stocks will be having only 3 digits like Axis Bank, some Tata Steel and all. So if you are keeping only very tiny SL, it will not be enough. So keep it small SL. And for natural gas, if you are keeping tiny SL, the SL will be only 10 paisa, 20 paisa. Okay. So keep it in small SL or normal SL. So depends on the script. Depends on the movement of the script. You have to select the SL and target. Hope it is clear. So now what we have to do? We know our trading strategy. What is the trading strategy? It is very simple. Brush, right? So once the market is opened, there will be top side 3 lines will be formed and bottom side 3 lines will be formed. So it is clearly formed. Next one, if the market is coming down first to our buy zone, so we call this as the buy zone. Where is the buy zone? This is the buy zone. So clearly watch this video. This is going to be a complete training video for you. So this is the buy zone. So people who wants to trade based on the zone breakout, that also possible. This is the sell zone. So we can call the sell zone as the supply zone or resistance zone, whatever it is. So what we are going to do? If the market is going to sell zone first, we are going to buy put option. Nifty 19,600 put option. Or I can buy the next level 19,550 put option. You can go inside in the money or at the money or OTM out of the money. So if you are having some sufficient capital, you can go for option selling also. Otherwise you can take next week or next month monthly expiry also. So that also possible. Very simple. Like in Uttavam Puttiran, Vivek sir will say, he is an auditor, so-called auditor in that film. So he will say, we have only 2 customers. One is old piece, another one is terror piece. Similarly, in our indicator only 2 zone. One is sell zone, another one is buy zone. We have to wait until the market reaches either level. If the market is reaching to sell zone first, we are going to be in sell side. If the market is going to be activated touching the buy zone, we are going to be in buy side only. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy until SL hit. So if suppose say market has come down here and buy activated, and instead of giving the target, if it is going further and hitting our SL, what you have to do? We have to go for the reversal entry. That's all. Suppose say you are driving your car and in your front side there is an obstacle. In your front side there is an obstacle, some wall is there, something is there, or some another car also there. So now you are driving in a first gear, a second gear, a third gear, or fourth gear. Suddenly you have seen one obstacle. So what you have to do? You have to put your reverse gear and go backside. That's all. You have to change your direction. You have to change your direction. If there is a way to go further, then you will not have to change it. So now there is an obstacle. You know for sure that you cannot move further. You have to take U-turn. Similarly here, this SL is our obstacle. If it is touched and broken on a closing basis, then we have to change our direction. Initially we were in Y direction. Since SL hit, we are going in a cell direction. Similarly here, we will be in a cell direction initially, then if SL hit, we will be going to Y direction. Like what you will say, he will beat someone and suddenly all the people will be hiding somewhere. Then Vadivel sir will ask his co-actors that see that person whether he is going, he is running away, or he is taking something and searching for us. If he is searching for us, then we will be his slave. If he is running away, then he will be our slave. Similarly, if the market is coming to first buy zone, so buy zone will be our slave. If SL is hit, then buy zone, we will be slave to what? Sell zone. Similarly, if the market is going to sell zone first, sell zone will be our slave. If it is hitting the SL, then buy zone will be our slave. That's all. Very simple. Only 4 concepts. First buy, target, if SL hit, sell zone. Second sir. First sell zone, target, otherwise if SL hit, go for the second buy. Clear? Now in this example, what had happened? So here market has come here, but buy did not touch. Okay, but here market has come here and buy has touched exactly. Exactly, it has touched, and first target also has given. But this is not the first target. Okay, if we calculate this, sometime it will be more than 1:1 and sometime less than 1:1. So these 3 lines are just a midpoints. These 3 lines are just a midpoints. But actually, where is the target? Actually, the target is here. Go to the indicator settings and click on the settings. Browse, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Since sell activated, remove the buy and enable the sell and sell targets. Remove everything. You don't require anything. You don't require anything. Just remove everything except the sell and sell targets, second buy and second buy targets. Clear? See the perfection. Perfectly sell got activated and immediately first target given. Once again it got resisted, then it is almost nearing to the target. If today market has opened here, somewhere here around 19,623, again market will come down unless it is breaking the 19,638 buy zone. Very simple. So this is how we have to trade. So let us see what happened yesterday, day before yesterday. Sell got activated, first target hit, second target hit, once again sell activated, first target hit. Okay, and see if you are extending this line, so here if we consider second buy as a zone, what you have to say, as a zone, again buy activated, all the targets hit. Can you see here, buy activated, targets hits, and this is the midpoint, yesterday's midpoint, exactly it has taken the support. So this is the another way to trade. This is the another way to trade. Now let me show you some script, because we are interested in always Bank Nifty. So I am searching for the Bank Nifty. Where is the Nifty? All of you be stay tuned. I am going to explain you very clearly how to use our MST iCore 2.0 effectively. Give reset settings. Okay, give reset settings. Yesterday what happened? Here also we missed the exact entry, but what happened? What is the low? 44,775 and our entry point 763. So around 12 points we missed the entry. So here 77363, 10 points. Okay, if the difference is 10 points around, no, it was when it was 25 lots, I said 10 points. So around 250 rupees or maximum 500 rupees extra risk you can take. Suppose if the market is not coming down, first it is not coming, second time it's not coming, third time also it's not coming. So in such situation you can go for the 10 points extra risk. Otherwise go here, select the 360 and you can see the perfect entry. Here also perfect entry, sell entry. Here also perfect entry. Here also perfect entry. Once again perfect entry. So now you will ask when to use this 360 $1 million question. Okay. So far we have observed that if the market has opened flat and it is not moving further in one direction, then you can go for the 360. But default we are using day time frame. But sometime if the market is not giving our exact entry, in such situation you can go for the 360 mode. Don't get confused. So exactly buy activated, here sell activated, buy activated, sell activated, buy activated, buy activated, sell activated, targets hit, all the targets hit. We are in a complete profit. This is one way. What is another way? Suppose you don't know how to keep 360, don't worry, keep it in default settings. If you have not got the default entry, if you have not got entries in the default settings, go to the select market and select known. Next time see what is the purpose. See here, sell activated perfectly, targets hit. Now when to use this known? Suppose you missed your entry in the morning session or you are busy in the morning session, you went to office, only in lunchtime only you can trade. Very good, we have the option. Go here and select noon, only for lunchtime, office going people, evening after coming from the office, night after eating, NSE tomorrow to analyze the market for tomorrow, MCX tomorrow for analyze the market, tomorrow's market, morning, suppose you miss the early entry. So all the options we have given, forex. But thing is, you have to verify all this. You have to do back testing, because we have done back test only for the default. It is not possible for us to do back testing everything. We are writing algo code in Python. So soon we will be launching our algorithmic trading platform to all our existing and new customers. All the existing customers who are already subscribed to our indicator and for some reason you are not in a good profit, please contact us. We are going to give you free indicator unless you become a professional trader and you become the profitable trader. But you have to share your daily trading details so that we can analyze whether you are following our method or you are following your own method. Okay, so don't worry, you paid us and you are not getting anything from us. We are ready to give you lifetime support. If you are not in a profit, take the indicator for free, but you have to prove us that you are using our indicator and in loss, and we can assure that if you are using the indicator, you will never be in a loss overall. Okay, now the thing is, it is not about the indicator, it is not about the indicator, it is not about the strategy, it is about your mindset. People are yesterday one person from Vellore, he called me and he is telling he has done some hotel management. I don't want to reveal his name, but he is working for 9,000 rupees salary. 9,000 rupees salary, he wants to trade. I told him very clearly, don't ever come to this share market side, because this is not for you. Then for whom it is? It is for the people who has excess money, who has willpower, who can sustain in this market. Okay, who can sustain in this market for longer time, because you are not going to compete with your neighbors Ramsamy or Kuppusamy or Robert or some or Abdullah, who are very small people, but we are going to compete with Adani and Ambani. They are the corporate giants. Okay, so now what you have to do, we should not go to them with the 10,000 rupees investment, 5,000 rupees investment and all. First you should learn everything, then you should invest some 50,000 minimum, and daily if you take 500 rupees, and for 1 year calculation, per year you will be able to make a profit of 3 lakh rupees. How much? 3 lakh rupees. It is almost equivalent to 300%. But if you see any corporate bank, even RBI, they are giving maximum 5% interest annual, that is FD interest, that is per year it is only 5,000 rupees. From 5% to 300% if you can earn, if you are making only 1% per day, only 1% per day. So that is why I am telling, please expect which is optimal, don't expect beyond the optimistic level. Okay, now coming back, if you are having 1 lakh rupees, earning 1,000 rupees in a day, it's nothing. But where the problem is, you want to invest 10,000 rupees and daily you want 1,000 rupees. Some people daily want 5,000 rupees also. So that is a different case. So if you are in that mindset, suppose and with 9,000 rupees salary, what you can do? Or you will put it 5,000 rupees maximum in a trading, and you will lose 2,000 rupees. Next day you will get some 1,000 rupees. Then next day you will lose everything, and another day you will go and take money from your friends or some other people. Then you will invest another 5,000 rupees. Then if you see at the end of the year, you will be in a debt of around 5 lakh rupees. Then you will have to hide from everyone from where you have taken the loan. So that situation will come for sure. This is based on the experience. So never ever think about trading if you are not having excess money. First one. Suppose if you lose that money, you should not worry. You should be ready with that mindset and accept whatever it is, and you should be very clear and very stubborn to use your SL and stop loss. If SL hit, you have to accept. If target comes, you have to wait for the target. So if you cannot wait in the market, this is not for you. If you are waiting even after the SL hit, then you are not in this, you should not be in this market. Now coming to copper, what is MCX? Select any script, go to the indicator settings, scroll down and give reset settings. So if you want to trade reset setting, you can trade. See here what happened, morning buy missed by some 60 paisa, so 55 paisa we missed the buy entry, but sell entry we have got immediately. First target hit, again sell entry we have got, but here SL not hit. First target hit, again sell entry, first target, again sell entry, it is almost nearing the stop loss, but stop loss is safe. Then first target, second target, third target, fourth target hit, again buy activated, first target, second target hit. See, the beauty of our indicator is, though the SL is very small, but how many times it got resisted from here? How we are exactly getting the reversal entry? So that is the $1 million question. No one can decrypt it. Many people are saying, sir, your indicator is just simply a pivot point, sir. It's nothing else. It is simply following the camera. Which camera is telling you buy here and sell here? Which camera? Which pivot point is telling you that sell at 740.10? Which camera is telling you? Which camera? Which Fibonacci? No Fibonacci will say. No pivot points will say. No camera will say. But here it is mentioned here. Buy, sell, stop loss, target. No other pivot points can give you. So please don't waste your time just by analyzing how the indicator is made. Instead of that, please use how to use the indicator. Please use your time and effort to learn how to use the indicator. Clear? Now I will select one more script. What do you want? Gold, right? Another important script is gold features in Indian market. Selecting the gold. See what happened. So if gold is around 60,000, I told you above 10,000 you can keep very tiny SL. So now you see yourself, buy activated, all the targets hit. Buy activated, target hit. Buy activated, target hit. Again buy activated, target hit. What else you want? What else you want? You have to answer. Next one, our black gold is crude oil. How can I skip the crude oil? So crude oil nowadays we are having crude oil mini also, that also you can trade. Crude oil. So for crude oil you have to keep in default minimum 25 point stop loss or 27 point stop loss you can keep. Some volatile market, both side it will go and come, but don't exit the market if the market is having high volatility with less SL. Minimum keep 25 to 27 SL. So yesterday what happened? Buy activated. It was in a zone. See here, this brown purple color and the green, it was in the zone. It has closed, it has broken the lower side and it has come some profit. So these are the other reasons what we can say post market, right? It is like post mortem. I don't want to give such explanation. I said very clearly, this indicator will show you where to buy. Indicator says 6824 buy and stop loss is 6802, 22 points stop loss. Some 2-3 points extra we can keep. So SL hit here. If you SL hit, what you have to do? You have to go for the reversal entry. Reversal entry is 6802. 6802. If you have some patience, let the market go some reversal point up to the midpoint, that is 6813, and take the entry. Once SL hit, go here and enable the target, second cell targets. See, first target hit, here itself target hit, once again hit, once again cell activated, target hit, once again cell activated, 2 targets hit, once again cell activated, SL not hit yet, it is coming down. If today market opens below 6802, target is market is sell side. If the market is opening above 6824, market is buy side. Very simple. Very simple. Like in a CPR we used to call virgin CPR, which means what? If the current CPR is not touched, market has not touched the current CPR, then next day that CPR is called as virgin CPR. You can extend that virgin CPR, you can use as the support and resistance. Similarly here also our support and resistance, this is, we can call it as top CPR and bottom CPR also, because 3 lines are there. So you extend that line and you can use it for the support and resistance. What else we are having in our indicators? I show you. Go to settings. First one is time frame. You can keep in default time frame. So if you want the extended support and resistance, come here and at the bottom level you can see next level support and resistance. Next level support and resistance. If the market is falling here, it will come here and it will get retraced. So which chap is having more movement? Crude oil. So I will select the crude oil. If tomorrow market is coming down here, it will come up to 6720, because there is a strong resistance support. Take the Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty users, we have very good idea. Whenever market has opened, sell this PE and sell this CE and be quiet. Sell 45,300 call option and 44,400 call put option. That's all. When the market is over, you will be in a profit. You don't have to think about anything. You can sell next week expiry also, or current week expiry. You will be in a profit. Market has to close either above this level or below this level. It will not go beyond that level. except some, if there is no news, it will not go beyond that level. If there is some news, it will go something beyond. That's all. It is very simple. Then another options what we have, I have told already about market type. Then SL calculation also I have already told. You know about this IIT calculation. IIT calculation, it will just extend a little bit further for the entry and exit, that you use yourself. Then these are the entry and targets. Then trend zone, very important point. Trend zone. What is this trend zone? Whenever market is above this trend zone, it is in a buy entry. Whenever market is below that trend zone, it is in the sell side. Okay, see here, market has opened gap down here and we have got very good profit. So you should not simply follow the trend zone, you should follow something along with that. That is R3C you can follow, or some price action pattern you can follow, some other price action RSI value, or super trend, or Marboz candle, or bullish engulfing candle, or bearish engulfing candle in a higher time frame for positional trading. All those things you can follow. See here, in a positional trading from 15 minutes, here it has taken second resistance and we have got very good profit, 45,700 to how much here we have got. As I told you, this is the next level support. From here it has taken the support at 44,200 to 45,200, 1000 points you have got in the reversal entry. So now all these are telling you that how to get a good profit in this market. So this trend zone where entry is valid if you are taking when the market is either breaking this zone from the downside or upper side. If it is very far, don't take the entry based on the trend zone. Then what else we have? Scroll down. This one, open high low. Open high low. What is this open high low? So it says that when the H is broken, it is in a buy side. When the L is broken, it is in the sell side. Otherwise, low, note on the H. Whenever it is mentioned the H, note on the high and low. If high broken, go for the buy. If L broken, go for the sell. See here, this candle mark the high and low. So here high broken, very good profit. If low broken, go for the sell. This is another method, but no method is 100% perfect. Okay, in every method you will have some loss. See here, H not broken, continuously we have got the H and we have got very good rally. So here H broken, we got very good profit. So unless it is keep on giving you L symbol, you should be in a buy mode. If it is given H, then you have to be in a sell mode. So I will change the labels here. This as the buy and this as the sell. B, yes, I will change it. Okay. If B comes, go for the entry. If S comes, sell comes, go for the buy sell entry. Otherwise, let it keep it. High means high, H means high, L means L. Low broken sell, H broken buy. That's all. This is another method. What is the next advanced features we have? Breakout strategy. Suppose people who wants to use 915 to 920 breakout, high low close, then you can use this method. Where to enable the high? Come here, you can see session high. This is session low and this is session break midpoint. Okay, it will show you where is the high low breakout and all. That is the next step. Next we have IIT pivot point 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is for mainly I created for adding extra targets. Only market will not have trending always, so it will give someday. So we need to find out the next level support and resistance. That's why I have kept here extra targets. First buy target 4, sell target 4, buy target 4, buy sell target 4. So each one will be having the extra targets. Now coming to the iTrend 1. What is the iTrend 1? iTrend 1 says that intraday trend. If the market is above this iTrend 1, it is in a buy. If it is below, sell. Yesterday what happened? Exactly it has support from the iTrend 1. Again it has touched our zone, then it has gone up. Next one, we have P trend, that is positional trend. Positionally where the market is. So Bank Nifty positionally in a sell trend. Positionally in a sell trend. From where? From here, from 45,600 to till now it is in a sell trend, unless it is breaking this level 45,136. Clear? That is the B trend, positional trend. And what is the next thing we have? You don't have to add any CPR from the trading view. Here itself we have given CPR, previous day low, previous day high, previous day close, today open, everything we have given. And also for all our YouTube subscribers we are giving one indicator for free completely, that is customized indicator. It is also having CPR, weekly CPR, monthly CPR, and our customized pivot point also. What you have to do? Minimum you have to make 10 members to join our YouTube channel and subscribe our Telegram channel and send the screenshot and take that indicator. This indicator is not free, don't get confused, okay? That indicator, that is free. So now MGR also we have given. What is MGR? When some white people can invent CPR, why can't the black people, Indians, no? We are famous for our color mostly. Why can't we buy some MGR? So I just renamed it as MGR. So MGR looks like CPR, but it is not the actual CPR. Hope it is clear. And next one, EMA. There is a wonderful options we are having. So in a single indicator we have given many EMA options, and VWAP also I have given. Then another one, moving average crossover strategy. So whichever moving average crossover strategy you are following already, go here, select 1, 2, 3, this what it is, moving average, give the end values, whichever values you want to give, and whenever it is crossing you will get the buy sell signal, and wait for the closed based buy and sell entry, because moving average is a repainting indicator. Why I have given? I am not selling this moving average, I am not selling this extra moving average concept, okay? This is for your features, because you will going to use a free version of the trading view, so you cannot add more indicators. So if you are having everything in a single indicator, you don't have to practice some other indicator. That's why everything in a package I have given. So if you want, you can use it. If you don't want, just you can ignore it. Hope it is clear. Now at last we have given some option. Chart. What is chart? Suppose say I want to trade based on the 15 minutes, but I want the chart in 1 minute. What it is? So the calculation will be based on the 1 minute time frame, but here you will be able to see 15 minutes time frame. So this is the default inbuilt options available in the TradingView platform. They just added. Okay. Hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please don't hesitate. First WhatsApp us. We have given 2 customer support numbers. One is 9500009154 and another one 9444738620. So 2 executives and one more executives also in a queue, and many franchises we have given, so people will contact you from different numbers, but ensure that you are paying to the company account number. Okay, if you are not paying to company account number, company will not take any responsibility. Hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask us. Please join our group discussion and Telegram group and YouTube channel. subscribe to the indicator, minimum 3 months validity, and we are giving extra 2 months validity free for your practice. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.